And Wardlow enters elite company as one of only 2 men to go coast to coast. Alexander's 3-year dream has unfortunately for him been crushed. That title was once Josh Alexander's. And he places it where it rightfully belongs.
Well, he might have a little piece over it now that someone finally beat him for the Super Indy title, so to speak.
Josh would have loved to pick up where he left off 3 years ago. But, hey! Alexander just took out the knee! That is uncalled for. Josh Alexander's beating the hell out of Wardlow. Alexander has just taken the Super Indy Championship. Alexander has taken the title. No. He pressed the button. JaXon Argos is still here, limping to the ring. Argos, he agreed he would cash in on the Super Indy title.
Show me the contract. Show me what he signed that said he would not.
But the reigning champion is not the man holding the title. Does Argos, I think Alexander's saying, you want this title, you go through me. Oh, wait a minute.
He's not challenging for the Super Indy title.
Well, Argos' deal with Plummer was not to ruin Super Indy.
JaXon Argos has activated the reset button. This match is for the IWC Heavyweight Championship.
Argos found another damn loophole, and Argos is challenging for the IWC title. And Wardlow may not even have any idea what's happened.
Wardlow not even up to his feet yet.
Alexander beat the hell out of him. This is Wardlow's 4th match. Brainstorm, that'll do it. JaXon Argos is champion.
Here is your winner and the new IWC Heavyweight Champion, JaXon Argos.
I'm in shock. Justin Plummer's in shock. We thought JaXon Argos was on his way to a hospital. But JaXon Argos gets the last word of Super Indy 18 with the IWC Championship.
2 different men in 2 different ways just walked off with Wardlow's titles.